channel if you guys can smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications all so you get notified when I post new videos, and subscribe. Wait, did I say that already? I don't know. Let's just get into the video. Today, guys, if you know from the title, your little Missy gonna be choosing everything that I do. So I have two outfits picked out. That one and that one. And I have two treats. And she gets to choose it. So, come on. Over here, Roxy. Sit. Sit. Stay. You stay. Stay. Okay. Got them. Okay. All right. Come on. Okay, she chose this one. All right. I'm gonna keep those crumbles so you don't have to have so many cookies today or treats. Okay. Let's get this outfit on. Okay, well, Rocky's still sniffing because I saved 2 treats so she didn't have so much today. So, what I mean is, so, if you don't get it so much, hold on, let me cut out. Well, it's not my cat, it's someone else's cat, but like, well, it's my mom's cat basically because he like purrs on him. Sorry if you can't see me, but my point is, there was 2 clothes. Look at that little cutie. You're such a cutie. Okay, stay up. Stay up, GoPro. Alright, so. 1 second. Hi, Rocky. So she's excited for the next one. I'm in a video. You can show it. It's not inappropriate or anything. Okay, well, you can't even show me inappropriate stuff. Okay.
It's called The Little Baby Bum.
What the heck?
Come on, Hulu. The Little Baby Bum. That's sad. Imagine being a little baby bum.
Okay, Roxy, why don't you sit there and be beautiful as I have to clean up something that my dog just spilled, so I'm not going to tell you what it is, but yeah, I'll be over here, or I'm not going to fill it either, but okay, you're a good girl, you know? Okay, get off of that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, after this, we'll do a word thing where you spot the camera. You turn into your other outfit or thing, but I'm going to turn into my new outfit. Okay, ready? I cleaned up all the things. 1 second, cut the cameras while I fix it. Okay, now I'm going to turn into my new outfit. Boom! Oh, yeah. Redo that. Done. Okay, well, on to the next thing. Now I'm going to be choosing which hairbrush she wants. So, gotta get all the hairbrushes. So, it's this one, my favorite one. Hopefully she chooses this one because my hair needs to be done. And I have this one that's very hard to brush with. Okay, I'm going to set them both out. Right there and there. And Dennis will sit there. Never mind. Mossy will come and visit. Roxy! Well, she didn't touch it because I didn't put trees around. But she did walk on this side. So I think she wants to use my favorite one. Wait, you'll have to touch it first. Did you touch it? Okay, we'll just go with this one because I wanted it. Okay, well, we'll put it that way. Okay. Holy chamoly diddly. Okay, I can't set this camera up. This is really irritating. I look like a hippie. Okay, well, we're gonna brush it with this one. And get some water. 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 Perfecto. That side. And then this side. Roxy, don't worry. You'll be able to do more stuff today because we got a lot planned for not just this video, but Ellie Hilliker is coming over. She's my best friend. If you haven't even know, go check out I think it was like one of the Game Master videos or like a doll creeper video. I don't remember, but please go check that bit out. I don't know what I named it, but yeah. Or I think I call it Creepy Calls. Go check out Creepy Calls, part 1, part 2, and 3. I think there was 3, but yeah. All right, my hair is brushed, and I already have makeup and stuff on, so I'm not gonna be able to do that. But I'm hungry. My brother's hungry, and it's 12:57. So we gotta get some food in my tummy. So Sage wanted mac and cheese. So I'll go grab that real quick. Mac and cheese. But I don't know if I want mac and cheese. We don't have very much, so we might just have to have mac and cheese, but it depends on Roxy. So anything else? Oh, I have an idea. We will do ham and cheese sandwiches. So let's go talk to my brother about this. Okay, Sage, how does it sound? You wanted mac and cheese, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm doing this video of whatever Roxy chooses of the treats we have to do. So like, I brushed my hair and this is the outfit she chose. And so we need to eat because it's almost 1 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah. So you wanted mac and cheese and I want cheese and ham sandwiches. I mean, not sandwiches, quesadillas. So I'm going to take a bag of cheese and put that there, and then I'm going to put treats and she gets to decide, okay? But if you want to... But if he wants something else, it's fine, because I'm the only one that has to do this challenge. I don't think I'm going to put cheese, actually, because she's going to run for that. I'll just put these Cheetos. I don't know. Okay. We'll put these Cheetos over here. Okay. Stick them right there. Actually, I'm going to go forward. Those are just the ham and cheese sandwiches. I just put those there. Okay. Roxy!
She's gonna smell that.
No, she'll be fine. Roxy, choose one.
Yes!
Mac and cheese.
Let's go, Roxy. I love you, and I always will.
Dang it.
Yes.
I did not want mac and cheese. Does not sound good. Well, let's make some mac and cheese.
It is one, Ruby.
Yeah, so we got. I can make it, but I might need help because my brother's like so good at making mac and cheese. But hey, I bad. Sage, do we need 2? Not really hungry, but I'm hungry. What does me too? I'll eat a lot. Stuck in the maze. Ready? I know this one. Michael Jackson, beat it. She looked good in that bikini. But the one up top, my favorite season. She dropping her first. I'm really dropping. Okay, let's make this mac and cheese. First, we need a pot. Found one. But now what do you know? Says classic prep. 6 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of midgery or butter. What is midgery? 1/4 cup milk. One boil water. 7:30. What? 7 to 8 minutes. Sage, I need your help. I'm super ticket. What? Yeah, I don't know what to do. When it gets into the pot, I know what to do. But then, yeah. Well, what?
Are we using this?
Yeah.
You want to fill it up?
Oh, not open them.
Sure. We don't have milk. We can't make mac.
Oh! Frick!
Why do we not have milk? I don't know. I couldn't make a milkshake yesterday. I didn't have water.
That is gross.
I know. I threw it in the toilet. Even the cup.
The cup? What?
I'm joking.
Well, then what are we going to eat? I kind of wanted mac and cheese. A little bit though. How about I make a yogurt parfait?
Yeah. No? No, you don't want that? No?
Roxy said not to make that, so we gonna have to do something. Well, I guess we're not eating today, so
Maybe we can have a bowl of ice cream with some sprinkles.
yummy. Ooh, that sounds good. All right, well, I'm gonna have a bowl of ice cream. If you guys want to subscribe, hit that notifications all, and give this video a thumbs up. I think you guys already know because it's in every single YouTube video of this whole YouTube thing. And I love you guys, and I love YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next